All right, guys, we're going to show you how to install the new Ibexx remote oil fill for the Pro R. We've already previously installed our oil drain plate that comes with the fill port as well. So we'll get going.
So this is going to be your hose it comes with. It's going to be cut to length depending on where you mount it. The fill, the bar bracket. It has a set screw so it locks in position once you tighten it down. 90 that goes on the drain plate. I'm going to put then we will take this, take your cap off. This is going to thread on here. And you're going to run it up this way and zip tie it to this factory hole right there. This on this application, we're going to mount it right there. So if you get this started, you can set it up there, get it clocked where you want. And then you can tighten that down. Put the hose clamp on there. Then you're going to take this and cut it to length. Turn your hose clamp on. Hose clamp and you're done.
Hey guys, so we didn't actually do it in the instructional video, but in the kit you will get this fire sleeve. You will want to run that over the hose before installing. This one's got to come back off again, so we just didn't do it. But yeah, that'll be in the kit for you.